We are going to give the child language. Okay, how we can give the child language related to sensorial exercises, as it is one of the sensorial exercise related to which we have to understand the process of giving the child language. And in sensorial exercises we have to give the child language after mastering the exercise. When the child has mastered building up of tower, okay, he has mastered how to build up, how to construct a tower, then you can give the child language related to this material. And here language is the concept of big and small with comparative and superlative degrees. But you should know that at one time we can give the child language of only one concept. Okay, start the work with big and small, then later on we can give the child comparative degree. So from big and small, like bigger or smaller, can be given on some separate times. Okay, and then after giving comparative concepts, we can give the child superlatives related to these the big and small. Okay, the concept of biggest and smallest on separate days can be given after giving comparative. So the concept will be started with positive degrees. Okay, in the beginning we have to give the child positive degrees, big and small. So for this purpose you can bring only 2 cubes. Selecting from this all these 10 in number, you have to bring 2 cubes in number, and these 2 should be most contrasting from one another. Okay, for giving positive concept you can select one that is very big and the other one that is very small. Okay, and here I am going to take this one along with this, and because both are having a lot of difference in their sizes, these are contrasting in sizes. That is why I have selected these two, and I am not going to bring all these here. Okay, it is not necessary to bring all these here on the presentation area, because we have to work with the child with these two. We have to give the child language using these two. Okay, now I am going to start the process of 3-period lesson with the child from its first step, that is called naming. I will have an eye contact with the child, point out this one, and I will say the child, this is big. I can feel it while saying, I can feel it like this is big, big. Okay, then I can place it down, and then feeling this one, I can say the child, this is small, this is small, 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 big, small. And the child is repeating side by side with you the words. When you are saying big, say with me,
big,
small, big, small. While doing this, you are having an eye contact with the child. Okay, you have to look into the child's eyes when you are saying big. Okay, when you are saying small, again you have to look into the child's eyes, point out here, and then look into the child's eyes to say small, and the child is going to repeat with you. Okay, then you are going to change places of these. Okay, and you can change the places, and then you will ask questions to check the second step, that is called recognition. To check the recognition of the child, you are going to ask the child, show me small, the child will point out this one. Show me big, the child will point out this one. Whenever you are asking a question, you have to look into the child's eyes, and then you can ask. Okay, after this, when recognition is done, when it is right, then you are going to start asking the child's questions related to the third step, that is recall period. You will ask the child, what is this? The child will answer small. Okay, you can change the position. What is this? The child will answer big. Okay, after getting answers, you will come to know that the child has learned this concept. Okay, later on, when you are going to give the child next concept, you can verify whether this concept is perfectly done by the child or not. For that purpose, you can bring two other incisors, okay, and here you are going to place these back. And now for verification of the same concept, now you have selected these two, okay. These are also with difference from one another in size, and I'm going to ask the child, show me small, okay. Then even you can change the position, show me big, and the child is going to point out, okay. Then what is this? The child will answer small. What is this? The child will answer big. This is how you are going to verify the concept, whether the child is able to tell you big or small when the sizes of these cubes are changed in front of him.